I'm going to teach you how to use your pendulum to cast a spell. This is not widely known, but it is extremely powerful, and you can achieve a lot with just this simple method. I'm going to go through the steps right now. So, the first step is you need a pendulum. I use these special pendulums that are very high vibration. They're really good energy. If you know anything about energy, these pendulums are amazing. But just use whatever pendulum you have in the moment. Okay, the next thing is you're going to need your spell. So think about what it is you want to achieve. And I'm going to give you some examples using abundance, but it can be for anything. It could be for healing, manifestation. And you could use a traditional spell, which is like a rhyming spell, or you could just state your desire, state what you want to have happen so that it will occur. All right. The next step and the final step is that when you're done casting the spell, you state, if only in the highest good of all concerned, or this or something better in the highest good of all concerned. And this is really important because it's a magical safety valve. This way, your spell won't backfire. And also, by getting what you want, you'll be helping anyone else who's connected in your energy field. So it helps benefit you. And it makes it safe. It just makes the practice safe. All right, now this is extremely easy. I'm going to show you the simplest way to do this. You can elaborate on it though. Like if you want to create a ritual, light a candle, do other things, but this is just the actual spell casting itself, how to send the enchantment. All right, so you take your pendulum and you just start to gently rotate it. So you're the one moving it. So you just get it to start to move around in circles. And this is important because the circle creates the cone of power. And this is how you transmit your spell. All right, so then you say the spell and then you let it rotate for just a little longer. You don't hit it like I just did. You just let it rotate a little bit longer and then you just let it stop. And then you can either finish or move on to the next spell or do whatever it is you're going to do. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to give you a few examples of some spells for abundance. So you get your pendulum rotating, and then one spell can be money flows and blessings grow. I welcome wealth from high and low. Each step I take, each word I say, draws abundance every day. And then I just let the pendulum rotate for a minute and then I stop it. Then I say this or something better for my highest good and the highest good of all concerned. Okay, I'll do another one. Silver moon and golden sun, my time of harvest has begun. With open heart I now receive all I need and all I believe. All right, this or something better for my highest good and the highest good of all concerned. All right, let's do a few more just for fun. From root to sky, from soil to sea, abundant gifts now come to me. I plant the seed, the growth is near. Wealth and joy are drawing here, if in my highest good and the highest good of all concerned. I am open, I am free. Abundance flows to me, if in the highest good of all concerned. Doors now open wide and clear. Golden chances now draw near. What is mine shall come to stay. Guided by light, I find my way. This or something better for my highest good and the highest good of all concerned. All right, so you don't have to do that many. I just did several there so you would kind of get an idea of what it looks like. But it's a very simple process. You just take your pendulum, rotate it around, make statements about what you want to have happen, add a statement if in the highest good of all concerned or only if in the highest good of all concerned. That way, if it's not in your highest good, it will fail. And it could be for health, relationships, abundance, calling on spirits or ancestors, whatever you want to do. This will amplify and make it more powerful. You'll be surprised once you start doing this. And you can do this for the little things in life. Like let's say you're going to the store. You could just cast a little spell that you're going to have a great time at the store. You're going to harmonize relationships with everyone you meet and have good experience. And you witness yourself getting everything you need, or you witness yourself finding a parking spot easily, etc., or getting through the lines quickly, etc., and having a good experience. before you start cooking in the kitchen, you could just do a little spell for the cooking. Like this meal will be blessed, or I send love to all the ingredients, or whatever you want to do. So anytime you would do a spell in your practice, you can energize it with the rotating pendulum, and it is much more powerful than the spoken word because, like I said, it generates this cone of power, which is known throughout spiritual traditions. It's a moving circle that has a cone. It's a cone shape. It's extremely powerful, and it's a potent way to cast spells. Anyway, so thanks for watching this video. I hope you find it entertaining and useful. You can post discussions below. And if you're interested in this topic, I teach about it. I call it Pendulum Alchemy. And you can visit my website, and there are free courses there you can take and you can learn. And also, please like and subscribe because I'm going to be putting other videos about how to use your pendulum to help you improve your life and the lives of others. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.